Started right up and ran after the winter. No problem. It's got a flat tire, but other than that, what else can you expect from the old girl? It's running pretty good. This thing only has, I'll show you, 49,000 original miles on it. It's got a split rear end. So it's got 2-speed rear end when you're hauling heavy weight. Oh, the dog got prints all over it. Needs a dash pad, but other than that, this thing's in really good shape. The dump box does work. And that's it. There's doors closed like brand new. Got the old landscape box on it. The sides fold down and it becomes like a flatbed, and it does dump, like I said. Needs a little bit of loving care, a little bit of TLC, but she's a beauty. She runs and drives, everything seems to work. I've had it for a while now and I've never really done anything with it. I'm just not sure what to do with it. It's got a really nice engine in it. Can't remember what size. It's a big block, I'm sure. They're saying the trucks that came with this vent in the hood were big block trucks. It's got a 4-barrel Holly carb on it. That's fairly new carb that I put on it. Forget the engine, but it is a big block. But it runs, like I said, it's only got 50,000 original miles on it, so it runs like brand new. I'm running it off a gas can right now just because the fuel tank is full of, it's been parked for years before I got it, and the fuel tank needs to be taken out and washed out. So I didn't want to run it off that gas. But other than that, it's a great old truck. I'm just not sure what to do with it. I was going to make a car hauler out of it. Stuff like that. Maybe take the body off and put it on a newer, you know, slam it down, or take the bed off, put it, shorten the frame, put a step side box on it or something, but I'm not sure. It's a shame to rip it apart, really, but the stacks aren't original. Somebody put those on there, but I kind of like them. The big mirrors and all that. Yeah, it's a cool old truck. I like it. But yeah, that's my quick little video on the it's a 1972 GMC 6500 V8.